Hi दोस्तों, welcome to SSC Geographical. In this video, I am going to discuss about the type of questions asked in SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1. And if you are first time watching our video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See here. Which industry is the largest consumer of water in India? Which industry is the largest consumer of water in India? That is thermal power industry. Thermal power industry is the largest consumer of water in India. Next one, Vikas Yadav. Vikas Yadav is associated with which sports? Vikas Yadav is associated with which sport? That is boxing. Full form of DOS, that is DOS. Full form of DOS is, DOS stands for Disk Operating System. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Next, Gayatri Mantra is taken from which book? Gayatri Mantra is taken from which book? That is Rig Veda. Gayatri Mantra is taken from which Veda? That is Rig Veda. So from these four questions, what you can understand is from the industries, the question is asked from the industries, and the second question is from sports. Regarding sports, the question is, the third question is the stands for, okay, DOS stands for, and disk stands for, and UPS stands for different terms. He is asking the what is the meaning of that? Okay, DOS is Disk Operating System. Gayatri Mantra is taken from which book? That is Rig Veda. Fifth question, Rozgar Setu Yojana. Rozgar Setu Yojana has been started in which state? Rozgar Setu Yojana started in which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. Rozgar Setu Yojana has been started in which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. The Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Launched this program on 27th May 2020 to provide employment to all the skilled migrant workers who returned back to the state. Okay. Rozgar Setu Yojana started in which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. Rozgar Setu Yojana started in Madhya Pradesh. Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on. Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on 2nd December. Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on 2nd December. So based on this, the day special, okay, which day is the special occasions is asking, oh, Computer Literacy Day and TB Day, and what is the National Water Day. So like that, important days is important here, okay, regarding this. And Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah. Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah. See here, in which year it happened actually, and which emperor it is. The Battle of Chausa took place between Mughal Emperor Humayun and Sher Shah Surya on June 26, 1539. June 26, 1539. Employees Provident Fund scheme was established by. Employee Provident Fund of EPF is popular savings scheme that has been introduced by EPFO. That has been introduced by EPFO under the supervision of Government of India. Under the supervision of Government of India. Okay, Employees Provident Fund scheme was established by. Employees Provident Fund of EPF is a popular savings scheme that has been introduced by EPFO. Which is the national sport of Canada? Which is the national sport of Canada? National sport of Canada is ice hockey. Ice hockey is the national sport of Canada. It has been recognized as National Winter Sports of Canada. Okay, this is the National Winter Sport of Canada. And the another question asked is Olympic Games started in. Okay, Olympic Games first started in which year? That is 1896. Olympic Games first started in 1896. The first modern Olympics took place in 1896 in Athens. Very, very important. Okay, the first modern Olympic Games started in 1896 in Athens and featured 280 participants from 30 nations and competing in 43 events. Since 1994, the Summer and Winter Olympic Games have been held separately and have alternated every 2 years. Okay, for every 2 years it usually happened. Okay, Grand Anicut. See here, Grand Anicut Dam is located in which area? That is Kallanai. Kallanai is located in. Okay, Grand Anicut Dam is located in Kallanai, also known as Grand Anicut. It is a ancient dam. Okay, very old dam it is. It is built across Kaveri River flowing from Tiruchirappalli district to Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is in Tamil Nadu, very important. Grand Anikka Dam is located in Tamil Nadu, that is Kalanai, also known as Grand Anikka. It is an ancient dam. It is built across Kaveri river flowing from Tiruchirappalli district to Tanjavuru district. Okay. And the another question asked is, which scientist, see here, which physicist made foundational contribution to understanding atomic structure and quantum theory? See here, the answer is Henrik David Bohr. Okay, description Niels Bohr, that is Niels Henrik David Bohr. Description Niels Henrik, that is Niels Henrik David Bohr. Next one, who is known as the Lady Dawn Bradman in cricket? Who is known as the Lady Dawn Bradman in cricket? That is Betty Wilson. Betty Wilson or Elizabeth Rebecca Wilson. Okay, Wilson. Betty Wilson or Elizabeth Rebecca Wilson was a former Australian player who is regarded as the greatest women's cricketer of all time. Okay, she is popularly known as Lady Dawn. Lady Dawn, she is. Okay, Betty Wilson is the Lady Dawn. She was a natural athlete and had an amazing ability to spin the ball both ways. And this question already discussed, that is which industry is the largest consumer of water in India? That is thermal power industry is the largest consumer of water in India. And which sport is being played in and velodrome? Okay, which sport is being played in velodrome? That is velodrome is an arena for track cycling. Okay, so these are the some of the asked questions in SSC JEE 2020 paper 1. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.